Smart, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Hello Class 8 candidates, how are you? It's my hope that you are fine, and I'm fine too. Today I want to take you through a mathematics lesson on bills. This is work that we had covered in the previous class, that is in class 7, whereby you say the bills is a statement that shows the sales transaction. It's a statement that shows sales transactions. Bills. In bills, you'll have to look at the item bought, the price per unit, that is the unit price, and the total price. So, when you are working out bills, you get the quantity of the item, then you get the unit price, that is the price per item, and the total price. In bills, when working out bills, there are some terms that you'll come across. For example, the term at, and the term each, and the symbol, this symbol. So all this means the price of one item. The price of one item. Then you meet the term for. For means the total price. For means the total price. For example, you have your shopping list. You have your shopping list. You buy 2 kilograms of maize, and each kilogram of maize is 45 shillings. You bought 2 kilograms of maize, and each kilogram is 45 shillings. Then you also bought 1 kilogram of beans at 80 shillings. At 80 shillings. Then you also bought 2 packets of salt at 25 shillings. 2 packets of salt at 25 shillings. And lastly, you bought a half kilogram packet of cooking fat at 90 shillings. Calculate the bill. So, to work out the bill, we have to look at how many kilograms of maize did this person buy. This person bought 2 kilograms of maize. This symbol here means at or each. So once you come across that symbol, that is the circled A in your calculations, you will just know that 1 kilogram of maize, this person bought paid 45 shillings for that kilogram. That means 2 kilograms of maize. How much money did he spend on buying maize? You multiply the number of kilograms, that means he bought 2 kilograms, and 1 kilogram cost 45 shillings. So he bought a total of 45 times 2, which is 90 shillings. That is the amount of money that person spent on buying maize. Then he also bought 1 kilogram of beans. 1 kilogram of beans, and for this kilogram, at means 1 unit, means 1 item, at 80 shillings. That means this person paid 80 shillings for the beans. So for beans, we are now calculating his bill. For beans, it was only 1 kilogram, so he paid 80 shillings. In addition, this person bought 2 packets of salt. 2 packets of salt. And that means at, I said it means 1 item. At 25 shillings. How many packets did this person buy? 2. How much did he pay for 1 item? 25 shillings. So, How much did he spend on salt? It means it is 25 times 2. So for salt, will be 25 times 2, which is 50 shillings. And lastly, he bought a half kg packet of cooking fat. Here we have the word meaning it is only one. It is a half kg packet. A half kg packet of cooking fat, meaning that he bought only one, and he paid 90 shillings. Sometimes you can be told he bought half kg packet of salt at 90 shillings per kilogram. These are two different things. Here we have a half kg packet of cooking fat, means it is only one packet, and that packet had a mass of a half kilogram. This is different from a half kilogram packet of cooking fat at 90 shillings per kilogram. If it is 90 shillings per kilogram, that means since he bought only a half packet, a half kilogram, you divide 90 by 2, that is 45 shillings. But here we are told it is one packet, which is a half kilogram of cooking fat for 90 shillings. So for cooking fat, he spent 90 shillings. So how much did he pay for the items? That means you are looking for his total bill. So we just add the units, the prices, the total, we get the total price for maize, beans, salt and cooking fat. That is 90 plus 80 plus 50 plus 90. So this is 0. 9 plus 8, that is 17. 17 plus 5, 22. 22 plus 9, 31. That means he spent 310 shillings. 310 shillings. 310 shillings. That is the amount of money he spent in buying those items. Now you are told this person gave the shopkeeper 500 shilling note. He paid for the item using a 500 shilling note. How much balance did he get? How much balance did he get? So to get balance, you get the amount of money given to the shopkeeper minus the amount of money spent in buying the items. That is the bill. So we subtract 310 from 500. So this is 90. That is 190 shillings. That is the balance he got from the shopkeeper. So that is how you work out questions involving bills. Get the total price from the unit price. Then get the total price. Then if you are told to get the balance, you subtract from the amount of money given to the shopkeeper. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.